Many of you are still not speaking in English, although you know everything: vocabulary, grammar, tenses, verbs, everything you know. And you know the answer that why you're not speaking? It's absolutely ridiculous. And you're gonna think that, okay, ye kaise? Because, of course, rubbish. It's only that you're not speaking. You think that there is another factor कि ये हमने और सीखना है और ये भी सीखना है वो भी सीखना है तब बोलना है. No, not at all. There are many students in my classes as well who join in the first class and then in the second they are like hesitant, they leave the class. You are not giving yourself a chance. You are wasting your money. So don't do that. Wasting your time. Don't do that. Instead, take an effort. Do something. Instead of doing anything else, instead of learning, learn, speak, learn, speak. Bring these two together. Take these things together. All alone, it's nothing. So, for example, let me tell you one thing. You have learned some words a day and you have learned lots of vocabulary or lots of tenses today, but you have not practiced, you're going to forget it next day. And let's give you an example. You have been learning from last 6 months. Vocabulary perfect है, tenses समझ रहे हैं, लेकिन बोल नहीं रहे हैं. Will you be able to be fluent in the 7th month? Nahi. If you are not speaking, you cannot be fluent in English. This, all the things are going to contribute in your writing, in your listening, and in your reading as well. But speaking में ये contribute नहीं करेंगे unless you start speaking. So this is just a simple and short video to tell you that be serious. Be serious when it comes to speaking. थोड़ी सी एफर्ट तो करें. अब क्या होता है दैट वी स्टार्ट टीचिंग टेंसेस और वो लोग समझते हैं कि चलो इनको रट्टा मारते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ तो हो जाएगा. नो, I started speaking when my tenses were not correct. I did not know the difference between has and have, had, was and were, did not do. किसी का difference नहीं पता था. I did not know what to use with what. But now I do. Why? Because of course I spoke and spoke and spoke. The moment I became a little bit comfortable in English, I started realizing my mistake and then I improved that as well. This is exactly what you are supposed to do. Right? So tell me that what are the few things you want to improve in English speaking, and I will definitely try to make some videos out of it. Okay? So let's start from zero. Exactly how you want it. But if we stay in the zero, how are we going to reach to 100? What we are doing, we think that we are not at zero anymore because we have learned so much. We are at 80, 70 or 80, but we are not at that. Why? Because we have not started speaking. This means we are still at zero. We have to start from zero. Why? Because speaking is different, understanding English is different. Speak, speak, speak. When we started speaking our native language when we were kids, हमने पहले जुमलों का वेट नहीं किया. We started with words. We started speaking, initiating, and then we became fluent. हम आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बोलते गए. This is what you want. So be serious. This is just an alarm call, a warning call to all of you, those who want to speak English, those who want to do something with this. Start speaking, then you will see a difference. I hope you like the video. Let me know what are the few things you want to learn next because I'm going to make a detailed series out of it. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.